the rate at what the milk is going to be drawn out of the teat.
Perfect speed is really so important early on.
What works for one baby doesn't always work for the other, and that's one of the most important things for parents to understand. The amazing thing about Tommee Tippee is they actually have 4 different flow rates, from extra slow, slow, medium, and fast.
Most of the time, especially for newborns and young babies, like they need the slower pace. They need to not be struggling or gulping or taking in air, because that results in a lot of issues down the line, like gas or spit up. So having a flow that's right, not just fast, is so important.
If a baby is feeding from a slow rate teat and they are taking an awfully long time to feed, they're getting frustrated, perhaps their cheeks are collapsing in a little bit, or the teat itself is collapsing, that might be a sign that we need to upgrade to a medium flow teat instead, or a faster flow teat. If a baby is using a fast flow teat and they're gulping the milk back too fast and it's dripping down their face, that could be a sign that the fast flow teat is actually going too fast and we need to kind of downsize a little bit.
If you also notice that your baby is pulling back from the teat, often that's them telling you that slow this down.
One baby may do better with a slower flow. Another baby at the same age might do better with a faster flow, and it's really based on each individual baby.